guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today's video is just going to be a short video, and it's just going to be a quick little unboxing. Before anything else, if you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If these are the kinds of videos that you like watching, I would appreciate it if you could hit that subscribe button down below. And if you're interested in following me on Instagram, it's at TrishDLF. So if you've read the title in the video, this is going to be a Saint Laurent unboxing. I'm just going to be getting it for you guys, and what I'm going to be unboxing is in this little paper bag. So the item just came in this paper bag from Saint Laurent, and it comes in this box, and this is the box that it came in. It's just a very small item, and I'll just put this back over here. So you might have already guessed with the title and with the box, this is a card holder. So I'm just gonna open it. This is what it came in. Inside you just have the packaging, the care cards, and over here is the dust bag, and inside is this little card holder. So this is the Saint Laurent Monogram quilted card holder. So this is just the typical card holder that I feel like everyone has. So it's just in this very beautiful caramel color with gold hardware. The gold hardware on it is more of like an aged gold or rustic gold kind of hardware. So it's similar to like the ruthenium kind of hardware except in gold. It's just in this chevron pattern design, which Saint Laurent is very known for. And it's in this grain textured leather, which is similar to like the caviar of Chanel. As for the dimensions, it's about 10 cm in width and 7 cm in height. This card holder has compartments for about, I would say, 6 cards. So there's 2 compartments in the front, and then there's 2 compartments in the back, and then in the center you have another compartment. It's currently new, so it hasn't stretched out yet, but I know that a lot of the YSL card holders actually end up stretching out here in the middle once you've used them enough. So as it is, I think you could fit about 6 cards, but I feel eventually if it stretches out, you could add more. Eventually I'll do a review on it on how much I end up fitting inside, but for now this is the current status of the card holder. So just a quick story on how I ended up getting this card holder before I end the video. As you guys know, I've been trying to get a Chanel card holder in a very specific color. If you watch my luxury wish list for 2021, I've stated the specific colors that I've been looking for in Chanel for the card holder. And Chanel has released a lot of different colors for 2021, but it was just not the color that I wanted, and I didn't want to settle. It's a big amount for a card holder, and I knew that if I would settle, then I wouldn't really be actually happy about it in the end. So I didn't want to be spending that much for a card holder that I'm eventually going to be replacing. So what I decided was that I'll get cheaper card holders for now, and eventually when Chanel does release a color that I really like, then that's when I would pull the trigger, because I didn't want to just get some random card holder off the current collection of Chanel that I'm not really in love with. So that's what happened, and I stumbled upon this in the mall. Now this was never really on my radar. I never really bothered to look at Saint Laurent card holders. I did have a Saint Laurent card holder before, but I sold that. I'll link the review somewhere above. But for this one, I was in the mall one day and I saw that this card holder was discounted. So the discount wasn't actually that big, but the color was actually really nice. The color of this card holder really reminded me of the Chanel 21P caramel color. Like, look at it. Don't you guys agree? And I haven't seen this color a lot in the Saint Laurent collection. Like whenever I go to the mall, I don't always see very standout colors from Saint Laurent, especially like with their card holders. It would usually be like dark colors, but not really like the weird colors like pinks, like yellows or greens like that. They would usually be just neutral colors. So when I saw this, I mean, yes, it's a neutral color, but this isn't a color that you would see a lot of people have, especially with SLGs. After I saw this discounted, I actually thought about it first. I did a lot of research on this Saint Laurent card holder, and apparently it's really durable. Like a lot of reviews, especially on YouTube, said that the grained leather of Saint Laurent is actually very durable. and especially in their card holders. A lot were even comparing this with like the Chanel card holders, and the reviews were really great. So I was like, you know what, might as well give it a try. This is a lot cheaper than the Chanel card holder. Although the one I want from Chanel is the envelope type or the zip type. But yeah, this is a lot cheaper, and because I haven't found the perfect color from Chanel yet, I was just like, you know, this is a good alternative for now. It's very cheap. It was discounted when I got it, so I didn't mind spending the price for something that I will use temporarily. Because I know that eventually if I do find the card holder at Chanel that I like, then I can easily sell this and I won't really lose that much money. So yeah, I plan on using this in tandem with my Chanel Mini O case, which I unboxed a few videos back. So it's going to be this and that for now. I will probably do a review on it after I've used it for a few months or maybe to a year. And I will let you know what I think about it. So that's about it for now. It was a very short video. I'm not used to filming very short videos such as this, so it's kind of like new to me. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this little unboxing, I would appreciate it if you could hit that like button down below to help the YouTube algorithm. And if you're interested in following me on my socials, it's at TrishDLF. I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!